Today it was absolutely fantastic to finally open the water saving garden to the public. We had all of our volunteers here, we had people from the local community, we had the designer Sam, we had Castle Landscape people here, we had people from Affinity Water. So this garden is just perfect because Sam, the designer, was inspired by chalk stream rivers, and here at Iver Environment Centre, one of the things we do is we teach children about the importance of chalk stream rivers. 80% of the world's chalk stream rivers are found in England and Wales, and we think it's really nice that we've got this water saving garden that's inspired by the rivers that inspire us, and we try and inspire children about. This water saving garden, it fits right in with what we're doing here and our message here. We're hoping that by coming in and looking at the plants that the pollinators love, the different variety of plants that are perfect for the biodiversity, the invertebrates that we have on site, will inspire people to want to save water in their garden, and we'll be showcasing different methods that they can do that.